Automation is shaping the future of spaces. Cephlon bring that future to you. Cephlon turns ordinary spaces into truly smart living spaces. Hex is a smart device featuring 6 10-ampere channels to control various home appliances remotely. Let's see how to install Hex Module. Turn off the MCB. Remove the switchboard. Disconnect the live wire and connect it to the common slot on the Hex module, labeled as COM on load side. Next, take the appliance load wire 1 and connect it to the load section labeled as L1. Repeat this step for the remaining appliance load wires. Connecting wire 2 to L2, wire 3 to L3, wire 4 to L4, wire 5 to L5, and wire 6 to L6. Now, let's move to the switch section. Connect a wire from switch 1 labeled as S1 to switch 1. Then connect S2 to switch 2, S3 to switch 3, S4 to switch 4, S5 to switch 5, and S6 to switch 6. Add a common wire to the switch common slot labeled as COM and connect it to the common terminal of the switch panel. Finally, connect the Cephlon 12-volt power supply to the Hex module, ensuring it is properly connected to both the live and neutral wires. Fix the switchboard back to the wall. Turn on the MCB. Once the device is installed, check if your switches are operating as usual. You can also check out our tutorial for device pairing and other app function by clicking on the eye icon above.